We know that change is a constant, but the pace of change is accelerating, and it's accelerating substantially in many walks of life, but in particular in the areas of finance. And we picked on 5 themes that we think are very impactful. First is that we have an ongoing fragmentation of the world geopolitically and economically. We see our role as a connector in a fragmented world. The fragmentation is something to be overcome, not something to get in the way of the way that we conduct trade, the way that we engage business, the way that we invest our money. We look at the changing nature of banking and the changing role of banks in the market. We know following the financial crisis, regulation on banks in particular was tightened very substantially for good reasons, with banks being required to carry different levels of protection against the risks that banks are exposed to. But there will be other lower cost providers of capital in some cases. We look at the way that wealth is accumulating and the way that it's being invested. The fastest growing economies in the world are in our markets, in Asia, Middle East, and Africa. And wealth is being accumulated there as people achieve levels of affluence that their ancestors and earlier generations had not. It's our job to help those clients to understand their options, to navigate, again, the geopolitical and economic divisions in the world for what will be one of the largest intergenerational transfers that we've seen. We talked about the durability of the transition economy, the movement to a low-carbon future. This is a core business proposition for us. We will continue to focus on helping our clients on transitioning to a low-carbon economy. Finally is what we can refer to broadly as the digitization of money, or the idea that most transactions will settle on blockchains. But that requires an entirely new financial infrastructure. The Standard Chartered has been part of building that infrastructure for the past 7 years. We intend to maintain that lead and help our clients to navigate through the complexities of the geopolitical environment, through the complexities of fragmented regulation, and through the complexities of a changing underlying infrastructure that will place ever greater burdens on them to be able to adapt. And of course, our mission is to help them do that directly. So these are the 5 themes that we see shaping finance. The future holds many, many more opportunities and challenges.